Welcome back to another episode of What the And today, I swear it feels like we've not even fucking left. Like literally we're in the same bloody place. But we're not in the same place. Because Kyle has finished the job, almost. I have also finished assembling the internal of the gearbox. And there's the gearbox. There's the gearbox. Do you know what I realized? I was editing yesterday, yeah? And like a dumbass, right?
Yeah.
I kept calling the flywheel a crank pulley.
It's because you're a dumbass.
So, let's go have a look at the wet belt.
Yeah.
It's all back to how it was, but better. Dun, dun, dun. So yeah, he has done the belt, and he has also done the sump, and he has also done the belt in the sump, and he's also cleaned the oil pump.
Everything. New oil
Everything. New oil pickup. So this car is good to, is good to go now for another 60 to 80,000 potentially. Which, yep, there's that as well.
You smart.
People think that when they get these things done, that's it. Or a lot of people just get a service done like once a year now. For those of you out there, you want to be doing your services at least twice a year, depending on how much you obviously use the vehicle. Service A is a complete service. Service B is just the oil and filter. Use the correct oil. Don't use cheap parts, and you will have longevity of your vehicle. Anyway, enough of that. Gearbox. We have the cradle. So this obviously sits there. This is what your gear stick attaches to, and this rod here, when you go into first, is what selects your gears: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth in this case, and reverse. And what happens over time, well, yeah, as you can see, the bushes wear out. Just fell out. So yeah, as you can see, like, yeah, look at that. These are fully.
People decide to leave it. It goes undetected. They think, oh no, this is the clutch. They start ramming it into gear. They start damaging their fucking gearbox, their synchros and everything. And yeah, the end result is you'll have to go to someone in the UK to rebuild it.
Mm-hmm.
By the name of Paul.
Paul.
It ain't cheap.
It ain't cheap.
I think he's the only person that's actually doing parts and he's got 60 bucks in the minute.
Well, there you go then. And
You have a bill for about 6 grand, I would.
so yeah, if you don't want to bill for 6 grand, go buy these, and I'll show you what the new ones look like. So obviously that's what was falling out of there. We got the new tensioner now as well. New roller tensioner. We thought, fuck it, you know what? Where we've gone this far on this engine, you know, with forging it and all new parts and what's the point in digging out a second-hand one just for it to strip the threads later on? Let's just get a new one for it, and then we got longevity. So that's that. And then we also have the new bushes. So obviously that's what it's supposed to look like. So shout out to Kez at Extreme Performance, Kyle's brother, who always hooks us up with any parts we need. I think it's the only guy who's got probably like 95% of Supra stock. Like, I'm talking like everything Supra related this man's got. So yeah, shout out to Kez at Extreme Performance. If you need any Supra parts, go check him out. But yeah, so what we need to do now is we need to obviously get that collar out of here, but these cradles are quite brittle, so we can't actually put this on a press to press that out. So what we're gonna have to do is just basically be a bit more gentle with it. Kyle said he has an idea of how we can do that. Alternatively, we could obviously cut the collar to obviously reduce it down, then bend it and then pop it out, and then obviously get the new ones pressed in. But either way, that's my job now, to get them sorted. Then I'm gonna get the gearbox mounted back on. Then I'll do the tensioner, get the belt put back on. The car is gonna come hopefully sometime this week, and then next week we can actually get the engine dropped back in again, and then get it plumbed up, and yeah, actually tick one off the fucking box. So. Okay, so gearbox is back on, cradle is back on. Look at that now, sturdy. Gonna have them good gear shifts now, innit? Them quality shifts, innit? And just topping the oil up. That is stupid funnel system.
Yeah, but someone's fucking broke off here in the past.
Oh, lovely. And then cable tie just there. Yeah. Fan bloody tastic. And yeah, nothing but the finest. Castrol Magnatech 0W30 for gasoline and diesel.
Yes.
Sexual.
There it is.
Fix or repair daily. So, with that being said, we shall end it there. What day is it tomorrow? Thursday. So Thursday, what you got on tomorrow? Back on the box tomorrow? Hey, back on the gearbox tomorrow. I am gonna get the engine crane out. I'm gonna get this engine up so I can finish putting the lower gearbox bolts on, do the tensioner while it's up. It's easier to take the covers off and stuff. Then we'll put the engine back down. We'll go over it one more time and make sure everything's nice and tight, and then we'll see how far Kyle's got tomorrow on the gearbox as well.
There we go, Mark. We've got TT there.
Oh yeah,
Get back on.
TT. True 30. All right. Well, we'll see you guys on the next one, which will be tomorrow.